Ever wonder why birds just leave? Like they straight up ghost the country. They're not chasing sunshine, they're chasing food, safety, and survival. Seasons change, food disappears, predators show up. It's like nature's eviction notice. Birds use the sun, stars, magnetic fields, literal built-in GPS. No Wi-Fi needed. Some birds fly thousands of miles. One does 7,000 non-stop. No snacks, no bathroom. Not all birds migrate. Some just chill all year, like couch potatoes with feathers. Even baby birds somehow know the way. No one gives them a map. Wild. But migration's risky. Weather, windows, cats, planes. It's like Survivor Sky Edition. Flying in a V saves energy. The leader breaks wind, not like that, air wind. When they return in spring, it's a full-on bird party. Nesting, flirting, food, all of it. But climate change? It's messing with their schedules. Birds be like, wait, winter who? Some birds can literally see magnetic fields, like Earth has glow-in-the-dark GPS for them. And we still don't know exactly how they do it. It's like feathered teleportation. Migration's not a road trip, it's survival with wings, nature's original hustle. So next time you see birds flying south, respect. They're doing the ultimate commute.
Lucky.